Right, welcome back to the channel. And you can see here my T4, Russ's T4 from Trim Porters. So we're here today at Trim Porters Van Conversions, and we are going to be fitting a Sunstrip for him. So he's got an awesome little Sunstrip that's going to go across. So the first thing we're going to do is work out where the Sunstrip's going to go. Yeah, and I'll show you that now. So here we go. Right, so we've cleaned the top of the windscreen, everything's nice and clean. Cleaned the top of the van as well, the roof, and we've just marked up the distance that we want, which is 15 centimetres we've done. And now I'm going to get it all nice and wet, and then we'll put the sunscreen down, and then a bit of wet shrinking. Vinyl strip applied. All shrunk down, all looking good. Just need to trim it now and then make sure it's all tucked into the edges. Looking good. Right, so we're all done now. It's all on, all being fitted, trimmed down to size. Everything looks good. Even gap both sides. I quite like that. What do you reckon? Let us know down in the comments, isn't it? Should I do it to the T4? Or a no? Anyway, thanks for watching. From me and Russ, take care, stay safe, and God bless.